Coming from the City Board of Canvassers of Bormok City. Certificate of Canvass of Votes and Proclamation 2025 Transactions. We, the undersigned members of the City Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify and vote in the elections held on May 12, 2024. Following further of is a statement of votes that such canvass, it appears that Gomez Lucy PFP garnered 89,100. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above-named winning candidates as the duly elected mayor of the city of Bormok, province of Leyte. We, the City Board of Canvassers, affix our signatures and imprint our passport in the city of Bormok, province of Leyte, this May 13, 2025 at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Signed, Attorney Aaron B. Avila, Acting City Election Officer and Chairperson of the City Board of Canvassers, Acting City Prosecutor and Vice Chairperson, Dr. Carmelino P. Bernardas, Schools Division Superintendent, and Member Secretary of the City Board of Canvassers. We also call on Certificate of Canvass of Votes and Proclamation for Vice Mayor, national and local and bar parliamentary elections. We undersigned men. Attached hereto and forming part thereof is a statement of votes by the office of the Vice Mayor. Thereafter, such PFP garnered 82,000. The highest number of votes as for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim that in witness whereof, we affix our signatures and underscore the position of the assembly of the corresponding number of votes garnered. First is the number 2 is the rule Edmond with votes garnered 76,477. Number 3 is Serafika Tami, PFP, with votes garnered 75,538. Number 4 is Lucero Jasper, PFP, with votes garnered 75,383. Number 5 is Rodriguez Perón, Number 7, Texarnia Dog Jerry, 72,782. Number 8 is Pades Group, with votes 70,706. Number 10, but not the least, number 9. I request my fellow members of the city.
Okay na.
May hapon, thank you very much, no, mga ODT supporters. Actually, if you will analyze the votes, the party organization is worth ako na level. So we have 68,000 solid ODT supporters. So, ako pinagpagbuon na puno ko kita with the good work that the mayor is doing and the congressman and of course your ODT council, we are sure that we will grow in numbers by the next elections. Thank you.
And syempre, Carolina siya. May hapon. I just want to say, emotional mo lang ko, pero I just want to say thank you sa tanan dyan na membro nato sa pamilya sa Ormoc Development Team because it is because of you guys na nahatagan nyo ninyo kayo na pinakabata ng konsehal. So, thank you. Siyempre, ang dami din.
To express my heartfelt thanks sa tanan na isuporta o hata sila pagsalin sa Ormoc Development Team. Pasalamat sa atin ni Mayor, ni Congressman, sa akong makauban sa ODT. This is medyo happy din ang tanan kay straight yun, no? White yun nalaglag sa ODT. So dapat ang salamat, we will continue sa what we have done, ipadayon at nahapsay kalinaw kamaguan. Dahil salamat.
Okay, Diana. Answer na.
Thank you. First of all, I would like to thank God. No? Thank God for this moment that the Ormoc Development Team ka 13-0 ta. I would like to thank also God for giving us another term to serve our city. Salamat sa Ginoo sa chance na ginatag sa ako. Again, as councilor coming from the Health Emergency Management Service. Pasalamat ko sa inyong tanan and I'm very, very happy. Sa karon, I cannot even say sa resulting ko. I'm very, very happy. Thank you kayo. Thank you.
Okay, so nalawag natin para sa Rama.
Salamat po sa Ginoo, no, na especially kay ato pagkaabang nandito dyan, pasalamat ko sa Ginoo na mga tao sa Ormoc kung sa 4 distrito, wag yun magpadayon, wag yun magpadama.
Siyempre, we have the...
Everybody knows I'm not Pero. Pero definitely, as Pero if he was here, he would be very happy to be complete with his ODT family, his second family. Thank you.
Dito tayo galing una sa tanan, pasalamat sa Panginoon sa Ginoo for giving us a peaceful election. And secondly, for giving us Mayor Lucy and Congressman Richard to lead us, for this new path, new Ormoc City. And for God, salamat kayo sa mga supporters na for my family, of course, for my wife, who has been with me since the start of the year. And that's all. Thank you.
Ang kalinaw mga kayong tanan. Praise the Lord! Daghang salamat sa akong pamilya, sa akong mahal na asawa, sa akong mga anak. Gabi na karon. Daghang salamat sa atong congressman, sa atong inahan, sa atong inahan sa kanunay panabang.
Mayor Lucy bitaw, kaninyo tanan, daghang kayong salamat. Wag yun may ikapasanin ninyo ang amo ng yung putli na panerbisyo. May hapon ninyo na.
May hapon sa tanan. So, pasalamat ko kang Richard, kang Mayor Lucy, sa akong kauban sa Ormoc Development Team, ug kaninyong tanan sa paghatag o pagsalig, gihapon, balikan ako sa Ormoc Development Team. Saan na mo nga among gihapon ihatag ang among tinuganay nga pagservisyo. Daghang salamat kay hapon.
Ako muna pasalamat sa kahitasan, no? Paghatagin ng gayon, pagservisyo sa mga nagkaroon. Salamat sa akong kapika sa kasing-kasing, kung makalas na mga so, akong extended family, ang Ormoc Development Team. Salamat kong Richard, Mayor Lucy, Vice Mayor Tonto Jr., kung sa akong mga bagong isor sa Consejo. Salamat po ninyong tanan pagsalig sa Ormoc Development Team nga mao'y magdumagi ako sa atong dakbayan sa Ormoc. Daghan yung guys, salamat!
Kaya ng mga regala, ang Bumangga Parilla, Vice Mayor Toto Locsin Jr.
Maraming hapon ka natin tanan. Pagpasalamat yung kong ako sa ninyong tanan sa pagtabang sa Ormoc Development Team. Ato ni padayon ang pagpalampo sa atong syudad. ODT forever. Daghang salamat.
Siyempre kay makapasalamat ninyo ang sidlak sa 4 distrito, Congressman Richard Gomez.
Yun ang salamat kayo salamat sa akong family, kang Pastor Lucy. This was a beautiful election. It was a beautiful campaign. Si Lucy, this was a beautiful war. We had a beautiful plan, and we stuck to the plan. We knew exactly where we were very strong, and we also knew where we were weak. So we maximized every situation. Nobody failed, and this is the result of having a majority of all our 85 barangays. Pilat 74 barangays are 13-0. In the district, we will soon be having, hopefully, majority of the mayors will be in the development team soon. Mga panahuman ang gira sa distrito, pero soon, a majority of the mayors will be from the development team. So, thank you so much sa akong pamilya, sa ODT, for being strong, for being opinionated. And thank you so much to Mayor Lucy, who was did this campaign, lahi ang iyang utok, no? We had so many sleepless nights thinking of battle plans and how to choreograph the battle. A big part of the success of this battle was because of the intel work of Mayor Lucy Paparas. In fact, this morning, ingon ako Lucy, lahi mo na atong trabaho na pagkatapos sa kampanya. Kaya ako, kasi yun ako, basta ako, implementer lang ko ba? But this time, lahi mo na utok nila each and every member of the ODT candidates had a technique, had a tactic that we all share together, and we pulled all these ideas, and this is the result. A wonderful and magnificent victory for Ormoc Development. So we will continue to work hard. We will continue to make Ormoc beautiful. we will continue to make Ormoc a better place to live in.
Okay, thank you so much, Siyempre, Shine or Walk, Mayor Lucy Flores, go!
This was a, like Richard said, no, this was a, hello, right? Okay, this was a beautiful war. If there were, karon na nahuman na, nakahuna-huna na nito na, no, I realized na my greatest outtake sa kaninga war is money is not everything. Because some people think that their money will be enough to trump all the good work. What I would like to highlight is that relationships matter and that teamwork is very important. So, public office, being public trust, is really a relationship between the leader and its people. These are your leaders, and even here in the City Hall, we serve the people. And to be able to be effective, we have to nurture relationships. Muna mabalik ta sa matinud-anon, matinabawon, masalikan. Because that is the core of everything. Ikaduha, teamwork. And I am very happy to have been fighting and to keep on fighting alongside such beautiful, courageous, brave warriors, no? Who are not just skilled, who are not just passionate about serving Ormoc City, but are very efficient. So we are all like-minded people, all with one dream, to make Ormoc the most beautiful place that it can be. Again, on the note of teamwork, we will not be here without the support of the people. It's been an easy elections because what they don't have in performance, kasi wala nila sa agi, ilang agion o panghadlok, pangrakrak, pangguba. But our capitans are strong. I would like to thank our capitans for very mura yung mga buho na kung pagkaon, di man sa tatumba mo, bangka man sad. And misuway sila o kamang kuot, o mag-isa sila kaya na kamang o nakuot. And just for context, in 2016, we had 22 barangays na 13-0. In 2019, we had 13 barangays na 13-0. For these elections, out of 85 barangays, we have 74 barangays na 13-0. Even if we knew we were way up in the surveys, out of respect for the people, we still went to the barangays and really campaigned as if we were not winning. That was our strength because kami maghayang-hayang niya, minumig ada o labitaw ni OTP. Wala. We campaigned. Kada gabi hangtod ulit na mo, na-memorize na mo each other's speeches. Nakasa si Ping, ihad sa iyang asawa, si Karen Musayaw, si Doc Jerry Malugrera. Kailangan siya, we end with the kumot-kumot sa labong kamot. And then, what do we always say at the end of the campaign? Kung nga ng sa ilubong ang kutra, paksit-paksit, lumang sa hukos, di ka ginawa, gahangos. This is really what happened in these elections, no? So, this was a beautiful war. We have prevailed because we have God's favor. So, all this we live to God. I'm especially thankful, dili lang sa tanan nga nibutang sa Ormoc Development Team, but sa tanan nga nangadji para sa Ormoc Development Team. Kaya kung gilubat-lubatan mo, ayaw mo kalubat-lubat kay the leader of the player warriors is my mother and the family members of the Ormoc Development Team. But in every war, remember this, in every war, it's not ang pinakasaba ang mulao. In every war, it's ang kinsa ang mulahutay till the end. And that is what Ormoc Development has done repeatedly. Kung kinsa ang sustain, kinsa ang mulahutay. And I think all of you na ninduyog mo sa Ormoc Development Team. I would also like national saint every time kami yung pangira is Saint Joseph. And Saint Joseph, like Mama Mary, comes in many titles. Like si Mama Mary na Our Lady of Fatima, Our Lady of Guadalupe. My favorite Saint Joseph variant is Saint Joseph, the Terror of Demons. That is why if you go to Sumanga, there is a big statue of Saint Joseph there. And that is the image of Saint Joseph, Terror of Demons. Every elections, ang naginan ako ihad, even the elections of mga barangay captains, he is who I pray to for guidance, for wisdom, for victory. So, kung ang imo nga to, makita mo ni Saint Joseph, no? Pag-abot niya May 1, which is also a feast day, ngayon ko, niabot na ang akong chief goal. Wala ang tayo goals. So, si Saint Joseph, ang atong chief goals. We do not have goals, we do not act like criminals, but we have Saint Joseph. Ikaduha, I think also that every member of the ODP is anchored in prayer and wanting to do God's will. So, I pray every night scriptures, no? And there is this one scripture that I would like to leave with you, and which encapsulates the battle that we have all been through. It says, Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. Thank you. Thank you for listening.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Ormoc Development Team and our congressman.
Already, look here, look here. Okay, number one.
Ang syempre na sige, in position na ka, cover na. Sige, ito sa babaw. Syempre,
Okay, number one, Tivis. Oh, number one.
ang sabi, ano na naman cover?
Okay na ko.
Emosyonin ka pala yan. Kinasig-kasig. Ice cream namin. So, balik ka after Levi's at ako na ito sa ha? Okay, alam